Are you ready to unlock the endless possibilities of web artificial intelligence? In this video, we will take you on a journey into the future of technology by unveiling the ultimate career path in 2023. Prepare to embark on a remarkable adventure that will empower you with key insights and knowledge. First, let's understand what Web AI is all about. Web AI refers to the integration of artificial intelligence techniques into web development, making web applications smarter and more interactive. The demand for Web AI developers is skyrocketing, and by 2023, it's expected to reach unprecedented heights. Organizations across industries are leveraging the power of Web AI to enhance user experiences and drive innovation. To excel in this field, you need a roadmap that guides you through the intricacies of Web AI development. Let's explore the key stepping stones on this exciting journey. First, familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of AI and machine learning. Gain a solid understanding of algorithms, data structure, and programming languages such as Python or JavaScript. Next, equip yourself with a strong foundation in web development. Master HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create stunning web interfaces that seamlessly integrate AI capabilities. Once you've established the basics, it's time to delve into the core principles of machine learning and neural networks. Understand how to train models, optimize performance, and experiment with cutting-edge frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. As a Web AI developer, you'll have the opportunity to create innovative applications. These can range from smart chatbots that provide personalized responses, recommendation systems that offer tailored suggestions, to image and video analysis applications that can analyze and understand visual content. While Web AI development presents exciting opportunities, it also comes with challenges. These include addressing data privacy concerns and staying updated with the rapidly evolving field of AI. However, the potential for growth, innovation, and interdisciplinary collaboration makes it all worthwhile. But that's not all. To stand out in a competitive market, you must continuously expand your skill set. Stay up to date with the latest advancements in Web AI, whether it's natural language processing, computer vision, or deep learning. Web AI has the power to transform industries. In e-commerce, it can enhance personalized shopping experiences. In healthcare, it can assist in medical diagnosis and patient monitoring. In finance, it can analyze financial data and provide intelligent recommendations. And in marketing, it can enable targeted advertising and customer segmentation. Networking is key. Engage with the thriving Web AI community and participate in online forums, conferences, and meetups. Collaborate with like-minded individuals, share knowledge, and be part of groundbreaking projects that push the boundaries of AI on the web. By now, you might be wondering about career opportunities. Well, the possibilities are virtually limitless. You can join tech giants, startups, or even establish your own Web AI consultancy. The demand for qualified professionals will only continue to grow, and you can be at the forefront of this revolution. So, are you ready to shape the future of technology? Start your journey now and become a sought-after Web AI developer in 2023. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.